salute to them. All these elders, my colleagues in front of me, all the young budding citizens of Bharat, I salute to you all. We thank the batch of 87 for inviting us and honoring us. Very kind of you. Thank you very much. I will not take much time, it is already late. Just I will say that you are Sainik school, you are disciplined, good. What I remember is when I was sitting for japa, one sentence came. Krama illade srama. Krama illade srama. Krama illade srama nirdishta guri seralagadu added. Krama illade srama nirdishta guri seralagadu. Hard work without discipline system cannot reach the expected goal. Please remember in life, hard work without discipline system cannot reach the expected goal. Therefore, hard work must be there. You must follow the discipline system. Then only you can reach the goal. Krama illade srama yavudayya. Krama beku ella sadhanagalike. Kramave Sramada Sutravaya. Kramam Aritu Sramada Guru Seravaya. So, I will not take much time. I just will say, Ajis, young Ajis, budding Ajis. You must pay respect to your parents, teachers, elders, and your mother, wife, and sisters. Yatra Naji Pujante Ramante Devaganam. Where the woman is respected, there God's brother. Please follow this, follow this, follow this. Follow the disciplined life, and now you are the most fortunate generation. I say you are the most fortunate generation because